In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a survey in Mailchimp. Let's start right inside the Mailchimp email builder. Go ahead and open the email campaign you're working on, or create a new one if you haven't started yet. You want to be in the main design view where you can see your email layout and the content blocks on the side. On the right-hand side, you'll see the content sidebar with all the different types of blocks you can add, like text, images, buttons, and so on. What you're looking for here is the survey content block. This is a special block that's designed specifically to connect your email to a survey you've already set up in Mailchimp. Once you spot the survey block, click and drag it into your email layout. Think about where it makes the most sense for your audience. For example, placing it after a short introduction or explanation about why you're asking for feedback can help increase engagement. Drop the block into the section where you want the survey link or button to appear. As soon as you place the survey block, its editing menu will open on the right. Here, you'll see an option labeled Link to Survey with a drop-down menu. Click on that drop-down, and you'll see a list of surveys you've created in your Mailchimp account. Choose the survey you want to connect. This step is crucial because it tells Mailchimp which survey responses to track when people click through from this email. With the survey linked, you can now customize how it looks. In the block settings, you'll find options to edit the button text. Instead of leaving it as something generic, try using clear, inviting language like "Take our quick survey" or "Share your feedback." This sets expectations and makes the call to action feel more personal. You can also adjust the colors, fonts, and overall styling of the survey block to match your brand and the rest of your email design. Make sure the button color stands out enough to catch the eye, but still fits within your overall color scheme. A strong contrast between the button and the background usually works best. When you're done, preview your email and send a test to yourself. Click the survey button in that test email to confirm that it opens the correct survey and that everything looks the way you expect. Once you're happy with it, you're ready to send your campaign with the embedded survey link in